Construction Coach here. In this video, we'll take a close look at stone veneer. A very nice finish at a fraction of the cost of real stone. I will show you the full install on this exterior corner and prepping this gas fireplace for stone veneer. This exterior corner has 2 layers of building paper, flashings installed top and bottom, and diamond lath nailed to the studs with 2-inch galvanized nails. Diamond lath comes in different gauges, so make sure to use the right size for your building code. Here are the tools necessary to install: level wheelbarrow, trowel to spread scratch coat, masonry trowel to spread mortar and shape on stones, margin trowel for smaller pieces, jointer tool for work on all joints, and broom to clean up stone face after jointing. To cut, I will use my grinder and score a line, then break with a hammer. I'm using ready mix mortar from the hardware store. Follow all manufacturer's directions when mixing. I'll start by spreading the mortar with my trowel to fill the diamond lath completely and a little bit above that. Once that's done, I'll start on a corner piece and work my way across. You can see that I'm shaping mortar on the back side of my stone at about a 1-inch thickness. When I press the tile or the stone veneer into the mortar, it oozes out on the joints. That's when I'll level the stone according to the level line that I've scratched into the mortar. So it's really easy actually. You just take your trowel, shape on the back of your stone a 1-inch thickness of the mortar. Then when you go to press your stone on the wall, shake it a little bit until it oozes out of the joints. Once you get your install complete, or when your mortar is drying, that's when you'll get to the jointing, which I'll show you a little bit later here. 3 key things to keep in mind as you install are: the mortar should squeeze out on all sides of the stone when pressing onto the wall. Space joints according to the stone manufacturer, and level each stone according to your reference lines scratched into the mortar. Scratching those lines really helps because you're not going to level each stone with a level. You're just going to reference each piece as level as you can to those lines, and when you're done, each piece will be close to levels, so that's how you do a good install. If you freehand and you don't, you'll tend to go up and down, and you can really see that. With all the stones installed, I will do a quick cleanup, checking the mortar, making sure it's about to flash. Once the mortar's stiff, then I'll start to joint and clean up all the joints with the little jointing tool. This is your opportunity that if you are a little low with some of the mortar between the joints, that you can add it in and fill them right up. Again, inspectors are looking for ample mortar between joints so no snow or water can press back in. So this is a very important stage, and like I said, fill it in with mortar with your hand on areas that are a little thin. So you'll see when I come down to the bottom here, I'm going to actually use a handful of mortar to get filling into those joints.
installing cultured stone to a gas insert fireplace. As you can see here, I've got my mantle finished, got the gas insert fireplace, cement board across the top. Gets quite hot up here, so it's nice, recommended to use a cement board above a fireplace just to protect from fire. Plywood down the sides, which is not a big deal. Our stone's gonna cover over it and also come over the drywall a little bit. I've got my baseboard stopped here and an equal distance on the other side, so that's where I'm gonna start. Use my 4-foot level. Install black metal edge flashing so that from the view of the side here, it's gonna be a nice, clean, finished look for the stone. So let's get started. Now I've got my metal edge installed. I'm gonna take some measurements to see what size I need to cut the lath, which I'll then install over top of this and put a scratch coat of mortar mud on, and then I should be ready to set some stones.